Hi, my name's Glenda Bishop and I have a website called alessirritablelife.com. I've recently completed Kate Toon's Recipe for SEO Success course. Now, before I started this course, I already knew a fair bit about SEO from doing, various Google searches on the topic and just reading articles, because a lot of my website is about blogging, and so it was really important to me to understand this. So I've picked up a lot of things over the last few years on how to do SEO, but I always knew that there were things that I was missing, and I was pretty sure that I could be doing better with my SEO, even though I still had a pretty decent amount of traffic coming to my website and was ranking fairly well for some critical keywords. But after doing Kate's course, it made me realize that even though I did know a bit about SEO to begin with, there was still so much more that I had no idea about. And the course really helped to fill in a lot of the little gaps along the way that just hadn't been filled by anything else. And it really helped to put things in context as well too, so that I now have a much broader and deeper understanding of SEO that will allow me to take the search presence of my website much further than what I was able to do previously. So even if you think you already know quite a bit about SEO, trust me, you will learn a lot from Kate's course. There is just so much in there, particularly too with the practical applications of it and the tools that you can use to get better results and better understanding of the types of keywords and things that are going to be relevant for your site, building backlinks, and just generally understanding more about user intent and how to make that work better so that your content is more relevant to the people who are searching for you and therefore more likely to convert into paying customers. So I definitely give this course a go if you're thinking about it. It's well worth your time.